Hi Brandon, I thought I would just make you a quick video to show you what I think might be going on with your problem with, I'm looking back at your email, the attendance. Alright, so you see that I'm already logged into D2L, but I'm not into my specific course. So I'm going to click up here on this waffle. It does look like a waffle, which just makes me hungry every time I say that word. And click on your course, your CRJ course. I'm just going to click on a course I taught in the summer. Okay, so once you are into your course, please go to course administration. What I believe might be happening is I don't think the attendance tool is turned on automatically. It's not a tool that by default is switched on. So go to course administration. From here, go to tools. And when the tools page loads, I'll just quickly scroll down so you can see all the different things that you can turn off and on. And the reason I'm mentioning this, but before we check attendance, is that if, for instance, you won't be using discussions, you can turn it off so students don't even see that they have that available to them. And I do this sometimes when I'm teaching campus courses, because if I don't go turn things off and I haven't specifically told students how I'm using D2L, they might log in and say, why is this here? Are you expecting us to use it? You know, students get home and they start making up imaginary assignments for themselves sometimes, not all of them, but some of them. So you can go down and turn off and on things that you won't be using. So just thought I would show you that. As soon as you click the radio button, it's turned off or on. So you see here is attendance, and it is turned on for me right now, but that's because when I taught this course, I used the attendance register. So my guess is that it's turned off for you, which looks like this one. So if you click on this little gray button, it will slide to the right and the check mark will turn on, and then the attendance register will show up. When you go back to, progress, you should have an attendance link in the navigation, and it will take you to the attendance page. And from here, this will all be blank until you add a new register. All right. So, and I think I showed in the other video how to do that. So, probably overlooked that before. I'll have to fix my video, but you have it now. And let me know if that was the fix, because I think that's what's going on. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.